Hi guys, this is Priyanka and welcome to my cooking lab. Are you one of those who could eat fresh Mexican food all day every day? Well, me too. Today I'm going to share with you my take on fully loaded veggie nachos recipe. Do watch the entire video because trust me, you're gonna love it. First, let's make the beans. For that, I have taken 2 cups of boiled black beans, half cup of pinto beans boiled and mashed, 2 to 3 tablespoons of onions finely chopped, 2 tablespoons of fresh jalapenos finely chopped, 2 to 3 tablespoons of sour cream, half teaspoon of red chili powder or paprika, and half teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of salt or to your taste, 1 teaspoon of taco seasoning, 2 to 3 tablespoons of taco sauce. Before we make the beans, let's preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I have already started heating 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan. Once it's heated, add the onions and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add the jalapenos and cook for another couple of minutes. Now add in the black beans and mashed pinto beans and mix it well. You can also use canned beans if you like, but I personally like to make my own beans. At this point, we'll add taco seasoning, red chili powder and cumin powder, and salt. Now add in the taco sauce. You can pretty much use any brand that you like, but I personally love this Taco Bell brand. Now add in the sour cream. And that's it. The beans are now ready. Now let's make the quick vegetable mix. For that, I have taken 3 tablespoons of chopped tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of red bell pepper, 3 tablespoons of sweet corn, 3 tablespoons of onions, salt to taste, 1 to 2 tablespoons of fresh cilantro, and some lime. Now take one empty bowl, add everything to it and give it a good mix. Our vegetable mix is now ready. You can also use any type of salsa that you like, and it works perfectly. Now, let's assemble the nachos. Take a baking tray, place with the parchment paper on top of it, and start layering your choice of tortilla chips or corn chips. Add a generous layer of beans on it. Now take 1 cup of Mexican cheese and sprinkle half of it. Now add the vegetable mix all over and sprinkle the remaining cheese on it. Now take some fresh jalapenos, season it with salt and lemon, and add it to the nachos. Now let's bake it for 15 minutes or the cheese is completely melted. In the meantime, let's make the avocado sauce. Into a blender jar, add 1 large ripe avocado, some fresh jalapenos, 1 clove of garlic, one to 2 tablespoons of lime juice, salt to taste, and we'll blend it. Now add 3 to 4 tablespoons of fresh cilantro and blend it again. And that's it. Our avocado sauce is now ready. I'm going to pipe the avocado sauce in sour cream once the nachos are baked. You can use a Ziploc bag or a piping bag as it makes really convenient. Our nachos are nicely baked after 15 minutes. Now pipe the avocado sauce and sour cream diagonally. And finally, sprinkle with some fresh cilantros on top of it. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please let me know how you like these nachos in the comments. I would love hearing from you. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. And press the bell icon so you get notified every time I post a new video. Until then, happy cooking, and I'll see you in the next video.